boys and girls. Right, today's video we're going to be looking at a new sound, new reader think sound, and today's sound is S. Can you say that? Brilliant. We'll try saying it now in different ways, and we'll do my turn, your turn. Okay? S. 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 Brilliant. Can you say S with one hand in the air? S. Can you say it with one hand on your one finger on your nose? S. Can you say it with your arms folded? S. Brilliant, well done. Let's have a look then at some pictures of things that begin with S. So let's have a look what we've got. We've got a sun. We've got some sand. Oh, we've got someone who's feeling sad. And we've got something for our dinner, a sandwich. So let's have a look again. We've got a sun. We've got someone feeling sad. We've got sand. And we've got a sandwich. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to hold them up and let's see if you remember what the words are. See if you can tell what the words are. And remember, they all begin with S. Mix them up a little bit. How's this person feeling? Well done. Should we look again? What's this? Brilliant. Well done. So what we're going to do now, we're going to look at what the S sound looks like. So on my board here, let's move this forward. I'll tell you what, let's move this forward. On my board here, I have got slither down the snake. I've got a picture of a snake. Slither round the snake. And the snake is so curly, so slithery, he looks like a S. Okay, so if I get my pen, I can show you. Okay, there's a S. And we've got slither round the snake. So if you get your pencil or pen, or your finger if you're using shaving foam, you can have a go of going slither round the snake. Can you see? Try again. Slither round the snake. Slither round the snake. Slither round the snake. Slither round the snake. Okay. Slither round the snake. Can you have a go of doing some of those at home? Should we try doing one in the air together? Ready? Slither round the snake. Slither down the snake. Can you have a go? And if you can do it in the air, you can also try doing it with pen or paper or anything at all you like at home. Okay? Brilliant. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold up my S sound. If you see it this way, I want you to say S. If you see it this way, I want you to say slither down the snake. Okay? So, let's have a look. Oh, actually you can just say snake. Okay, so you either say S or say snake. Okay, let's have a go. Snake. Well done, I got a bit quicker there towards the end, didn't I? I wonder if you caught up with me, if you could say whether it was s or snake, I wonder. I'd love to find out. Right, okay. So what we're going to think about now is we're going to think about Fred, my friend Fred, who can't talk in whole words. He speaks by breaking the words up into sounds. And he told me some words beginning with S. And I wonder if you can help me figure out what he was saying. So the first word Fred said to me was sit. 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 Your turn, can you try? Sit. Sit. Well done. And another word he said to me was sad. 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 Can you have a go for saying that? Sad. Sad. Your turn. Well done. Brilliant. Excellent. Another word he said to me was sip. 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 Can you say that for me? Sip. Sip. Your turn. Sip. Sip. Well done. Down, boys and girls. Excellent. Okay. What we're going to do now, I'm going to hide our S sound in with some of these other sounds, and we're going to see if you can say gotcha when you see S. Okay, ready? What's the sound? What's the sound? Because we've learnt that.